This is a video review of the Roadhog and Junkrat Blizzard Entertainment Overwatch Funko 2-pack. And here's Roadhog from the 2-pack. I would say the names of these skins, but I don't know them offhand. But here's the front, the right, the back, the left, and the front. And here is Junkrat from that 2-pack. Here's the front of Junkrat, the right, the back of Junkrat, and its left side. This has been a video review of the Funko Pop 2-pack of Roadhog and Junkrat Blizzard Entertainment exclusive 2-pack. Thank you all for watching. I shall see you all in the next one. Goodbye.